If you want your design system to be adopted, you must document it. Many of you use Notion as a knowledge-based tool in your company. If it's not in Notion, it doesn't exist. So you probably ask yourself, can our design system be documented in Notion? It sounds like a great idea, but that's a lot of manual work. Should we add another tool to our stack? The cost is high and your data will be scattered. That's why Specify is now compatible with Notion. By connecting Notion as destination in Specify, you can generate automatic design documentation in seconds. But how does it work? First, connect Figma as source, and Specify will extract your design tokens and assets. Connect Notion as destination, and Specify will create databases with your latest decisions. Your developers and teams will get the latest updates in their favorite tools. Embrace the power of Specify with the flexibility of Notion. Connect Notion now and let the magic begin.